Hey everyone, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. Next video in the series showing you how to send an estimate for Christmas lights, how to get a contract signed, how to structure your contracts. And then this video is showing you if we do through my other company, Service Simplify, where we offer our sales and office support to your business. If we end up doing the selling for you, we also build you a custom app for your business, and in that app we upload install instructions for each job that we close for you, so it makes it nice and easy. And I just wanted to show you what that looks like with a couple screenshots here. So just to reiterate, we've marketed for the leads. Maybe they're Google, maybe they're Facebook. We got the lead in that wanted an estimate. We screened through them. We sent them a professional estimate. From that, they chose the options that they wanted to put on their house. We then decided how long they wanted to do their contract: 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. We helped them pick their color scheme for their lights, what colors they want. And then once that's done, we put together their contract based on all that. Had them e-sign their contract through honeybook.com with a nice, professional, clean looking contract. And then after that's done, now we need to figure out how we can communicate that with our crews or ourselves, or how we can remember what they wanted. So what we do, and again, we at servicesimplify.com, we charge $4.99 a month to run the marketing side of your Christmas light business. So for $4.99 a month, that's our fee. We will come up with the Facebook and Google ads. We will use our content, our pictures and photos for you, or ones that we have, and we will run Facebook and Google ads. That doesn't include the ad spend, so you still need to set your budget on top of that for how much you want to pay, how much you want to spend per day on Google and Facebook to run ads. But we will run the ads for you. We'll come up with the ads. We'll get the leads in. We'll send them an estimate. We'll filter through the leads, screen them out. We'll send an estimate. We'll close the sales. We'll schedule the jobs. We'll get the contract signed. And then after that, if we do that sales side for you, and to do that, so we do two things. We market for you. That's $4.99 a month. If you want us to do the whole, and if we just do that, we're going to send you the leads. You're going to send the estimates. You're going to close them. You're going to do all that. If you want us to do the whole deal and actually sell them, follow up with them, which sometimes with these Christmas light customers, you have to follow up with them multiple times because it's an impulse buy. All we do is we charge an additional commission on top of that $4.99 per month for these sales that we close. So we make it nice and easy. We don't charge an extra fee. We only charge when we actually bring you in work. And the way we price stuff, we're going to price the work higher than you would anyways, because this Christmas lights is just like anything else. Just like me when I started, you're going to underprice your work because you're going to get sticker shock, and you're going to be like, well, nobody would ever pay that for Christmas lights, and you'd be wrong, just like I was. So our guys know how to price it. We've tested it in multiple markets now, so we price it. So the commission that we charge is probably, even with the commission, is probably still going to be more. What's left is still going to be more than what you would probably charge to those customers either way. But once we do that, if we do the closing for you, after we go through the whole deal, get the contract signed from them, we're going to customize an app for you that you can install on your phone. All your crews can install on their phones, and it will have in there instructions for each job. And it's nice and easy to search. They can just search it by name. So let's just say this guy's Bob Smith. Your guys are getting ready to go and install at Bob Smith, or you are. You can open up his job in your app right here that we built for you, and you're going to see a picture of the house. You're going to see the same estimate that we sent. It's going to have the highlighted lines that we included in the estimate. You can see this is a nice house here. It's going to have the install instructions for you or your crew. It's going to say install roof line. See the picture. They wanted a 36-inch wreath. It's going to show where the wreath is going to be. You can see up here. You can see it's really small, but there's a picture right here with a wreath. They want these 3 columns wrapped, so I know that I'm going to be wrapping these 3 columns with mini lights. And it says they want stake lighting, so I know I'm going to be doing these. And if you could see this picture, you could see the lines where it's highlighted, but this is kind of small here. but we're just going to be putting lights around where the blue line is around around their landscaping beds. You can also see, we get down in here, it's got exact measurements. It says, you know, front roof line is 132 feet. This total roof line, 132 feet. That's telling me with 15-inch spacing, I'm going to need 106 bulbs approximately. They want warm white lights. You know, it even tells me how many bags of lights I'm going to need for that, 25. So you can see here, it just makes it nice and easy for your guys. They want stake lighting. That tells me I need 60 feet of stake lighting around the beds. I need 46 bulbs, 48 bulbs for that approximately. I need one 36-inch wreath. So it goes on, but you can see this just makes it so easy for you or your install crew. So if we did the whole thing for you, really you guys just need to show up. You know, they could prep this stuff at the shop, or they just need to show up and they've got exact install notes right here. They've even got a picture of the house so that they can confirm they're at the correct house, and it just makes everything nice and easy. And this is automatically uploaded as soon as our guys as soon as our guys close the sale for you. I'd love to hear how you're doing it. If you're doing Christmas lights, I'd love to hear your process. That's kind of our process and what we do. The next video, I'm going to share with you what things I think you should offer to decorate. What are the most profitable items that you should decorate, where you should put Christmas lights, and what I think you should stay away from because they're not as profitable or they take a lot more time. But I hope this is adding value to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to address them. And I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next one.